Here's how you can use Claude Code to upgrade your AI agents inside of n8n. I'm going to show you a method that not only lets you build them quicker, but also allows you to make them much more powerful and lets you do things that you normally can't do inside of n8n. So first we're going to look at how we build agents inside of n8n normally. So on screen, I've got a YouTube research agent that basically analyzes YouTube and analyzes Reddit for the best performing topics and then recommends you the best video to record based in that niche. You're able to give the agent different tools which it can call while executing to help it do its job. So I've got it hooked up to two different tools. I've got the analyze YouTube tool and the analyze Reddit tool. Now these are actually sub workflows, which means that the agent will call it, n8n will execute a workflow in the background, and the result of that execution will be passed back to this YouTube agent. Now we can open up the Reddit tool, for example, to see what that looks like, which looks like this. But the problem is that as it becomes more complex, it will take you longer to build. And within n8n, there's a certain ceiling that you reach where as it becomes more complex, you kind of reach a limit with what you can do inside of n8n. And you need something outside, whether that's custom code or whether that's Claude Code, which we're about to show, to help you make it more complex and let you do more things. Now, what we can do is instead of building the workflow ourselves, we can actually get Claude Code to build the tools for us and hand these to our AI agent, which it can then call as if it were its own. And we do this using something called Modal. So within Claude Code, these tools are actually just Python endpoints that are built and deployed to Modal, which then expose a HTTPS endpoint, which the AI agent can then call. So in simple terms, it's basically like an API call, but Claude Code's built it for us and we haven't had to touch anything ourselves. Now, if I come back to this tab here, the key insight is that we're wrapping all of this complexity into one little endpoint, which our AI agent can then call as a tool and basically receive the same result back. Now, using this idea, I'm gonna build live this exact same workflow that I built here within Claude Code and show you how you can do the same. Now, the first thing you want to do is go down in the description and download this claude.md file. This basically just gives Claude instructions on how to build the endpoints and how to deploy them to Modal to give us back our API functions. Now we're going to start down here and basically tell Claude to read this claude.md file to understand its function and what it's supposed to do. So Claude, I want you to read the claude.md file, understand your purpose, understand your functions and what you're supposed to do in order to deploy the Modal endpoints. Cool, and I'm going to send this off. And now it's going to think through and it's going to read these in order to see what it's supposed to do. Nice. So now that Claude is set up and ready to go, the first thing we're going to build is the YouTube research tool. So I'm going to give it a command. I'm going to say, Claude, first thing I want you to do is build the first tool for my n8n AI agent. It's going to be a YouTube research tool. So I want it to look through YouTube and find the best performing videos given a query or a certain niche. And then I want it to return the best performing videos as well as all the information about it. Feel free to ask me any questions in order to clarify. I kind of repeated myself there, but that's completely fine. Claude should understand what I'm trying to do here. So I'm going to do, let's go plan mode, and I'm going to send that straight off. And it should ask me a couple questions in order to clarify. So now it's asked me a couple questions on how it's going to build the tool. So the first thing it said is, how should the tool access YouTube data? We're going to go with the YouTube data API. Ranking, what defines best performing for this tool? We're going to go with view count. Output fields, what information should be returned for each video? We're going to return, let's go with core stats. It seems like the most comprehensive. And the result count, we'll return configurable by caller. So the n8n workflow can pass in how many videos it wants to return. So submit the answers. It says, do you have a YouTube data API key already? So I'll go, no, I need to create one. Should the tool filter results in any way? Let's go upload date range and file. Where should this endpoint live? We'll just go to new file, YouTube research.py, and submit the answers once again. All right, so now it's giving me a whole plan for how it's going to build the tool. This looks all good to me, so I'm just going to go yes and auto accept. And then I'm going to give it my API key, which it can then use to fully create the endpoint for us. Okay, so now it's prompting me to go and get my YouTube API key, and it's also prompting me to create the Modal secret. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First thing I'm going to do is come to this link over here. Now, once it's loaded, you can just come to the top here and search up YouTube data API. It's going to prompt you to add and enable this API, but I've already done that. So when you've done that, you can just click manage. You're going to come to credentials at the bottom over here, and then you want to create an API key. So you're going to go create credentials, API key. You can name it whatever you want. Let's go don't restrict key. I'm just going to create it. Now once it's created, we can just copy it over here. Now in Claude Code, we can just say, here is my API key. Run the command for me. So we don't actually have to run any commands because Claude can run it on our behalf. So I've just given it the API key and just told it to run the command, and it should be okay. So let's send that off. We're gonna allow it to run this command, click yes. Apparently it already exists, so let's update it with this. We're gonna click yes once again. Cool, and now the secret is set. So now it's gonna try and deploy the endpoint, and it's gonna return us the URL for us to call from our AI agent. So let's get yes one more time. Perfect, so now that Claude has created this tool, we can actually copy this code and put this straight inside n8n for the AI agent to then use. So let's do that right now. So I'm gonna go copy over here. Now inside the n8n agent, I can replace this analyze YouTube tool. So I'm gonna right click it. We're gonna go replace, and we're gonna click the HTTP request tool. I'm gonna double click inside it. We're gonna go import code, and we're gonna paste that command that Claude Code gave us. I'm gonna go import. Perfect. We still need to get our API token from Claude, which we can do in a minute. That's no problem. But basically this query here is basically what we're searching. The max results is how many videos it's gonna return us, and the time filter is for how long it's gonna return us in the past. We're gonna change it so that the AI agent is able to decide what is searched for each one. So let's click these right here. And then we're gonna give a little description for what actually goes in these fields. So for the query, that is the niche that is being searched for, max results, how many videos to return, and time filter, how far in the past to return. Nice, so the descriptions are now in there, and we can move on to the Reddit tool for it to actually research Reddit and return us results from there. Nice, so now that this endpoint is built, I want you to build a similar research tool for Reddit. So this should be able to search Reddit RSS feeds for a specific topic or a specific niche, similar to the YouTube endpoint, and it's going to return basically all the information in that feed. And it's going to pass this information into Claude as an API call, and it's basically going to run some sentiment analysis to see if that topic is hot or not at the moment. Cool, so that's our query for the Reddit endpoint, and we're going to send that straight off and get Claude to start building that. All right, now it's come back with some questions for us to answer. Where should the Reddit search be scoped? And we're going to go with all of Reddit. Sentiment analysis, we're going to go, let's go full breakdown instead of just hot or not. And time range, we're going to go configurable by caller. Or let's actually do last 7 days, because it will keep the results fresh. I think that makes sense. I'm going to submit those answers, and it's going to start building the endpoint for us and eventually return us the endpoint to call from our agent. Perfect, so this tool is now done. It's given us the endpoint and the curl command for us to copy and paste inside n8n. So we're going to copy this, and we're going to go into n8n and replace the Reddit tool with this API call right here. So within n8n, we can right click this, hit replace, and we're going to go with HTTP request tool, paste it into here, import. So these two endpoints are now done. We've got a research YouTube endpoint and a research Reddit endpoint that Claude Code has completely built for us, completely hands off. What I'm going to do now is build one final tool, which will basically pull in the information from Reddit and pull in the information from YouTube and kind of collate it all into one report for us to read. It'll be a nice clean breakdown of what's hot right now, what's trending, and for what videos we should record. I want you to build me one final tool, and this is going to be a report generation tool. So we're going to take in all the information from our YouTube research and all the information from our Reddit research, and we're going to pass it into this tool, and AI is going to basically collate this and give me a final recommendation for what's trending right now and basically what video to record and why. And there we go. Now it's built the report generator tool for us. We can do the exact same process. I'm going to copy this curl command and I'm going to paste it straight into n8n. Nice, so now we've got our three different tools. So we've got our YouTube research endpoint, we've got our Reddit research endpoint, and we've got the report generator. So what I'm now gonna do is ask Claude Code to basically test these for us and basically verify that they're actually able to be called by this AI agent. If they're not, it's gonna go ahead and fix them for us and just make sure they're all working properly. So let's do that now. Perfect, now the final thing I want you to do for me is double check that these can actually be called by an AI agent without actually having it to be structured data, and also give me the API key that I'm supposed to pass inside the call to these endpoints. There we go, amazing. So now it's giving us our token that we can then use to pass in it for authentication, and it's also fixed some issues that it noticed while reading through the file, so that's amazing as well. So we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna go in n8n and replace these so it can actually be authenticated when we call them. So in n8n, we're gonna open up this node here, we're gonna replace this, so bury your token here, token needs to go here, and we're gonna do the same with the other two as well. Perfect, so now that the system prompt and all the tool descriptions are in there, we can actually go ahead and test this. So let's open up the chat, and we're gonna go, I want you to research videos for AI and automation. And we'll hit send and see what it does. Now it looks like there was an error when it tried to call the Reddit research tool. So what we can actually do is just copy the error message and give it straight to Claude Code and see what actually happens. So let's copy this and give it to Claude Code. Just paste it straight in here, hit send. and it should read this and try and figure out what the error is and try to fix it for us. There we go. So it looks like it's fixed the issue for us. Apparently Reddit banned data center IPs, so Modal can't actually call the endpoint. So we'll try this again. We'll go, I want you to research videos for AI and automation. We're going to send that off. And then it should go ahead and try call the tools one more time and see if those actually work. Now, so it looks like the Reddit tool was called successfully. Now it's trying to call the YouTube endpoint. Looks like that was called successfully. Now it should try to call the report generator and then give us a final report of what's working at the moment. And amazing, there we go. So we can see it's finally finished and it's given us our topic research report on AI automation. So it's given us the top performing videos. We can see the audience sentiment from Reddit. We can see the overall mood is mixed, anxiety and excitement, high interest with growing skepticism. See its tool integration struggles, job displacement fear, information overload. And then it's given us some high opportunity niches. It's given us some specific video ideas, and it's given us some title and formulas that might work. So as you can see, we've used Claude Code to turn basically some complicated endpoints and some complicated workflows like this and like this, and basically just condense that all down into one workflow by calling a tool that Claude Code generated that we're able to use an AI agent for to actually return the exact same results. So we didn't have to write a single piece of code ourselves. We didn't have to drop an n8n node into the canvas apart from these three. And it's basically returned us some high-level information of what videos are working at the moment. And that is basically it for this video. So I've shown you how to use Claude Code to supercharge your n8n AI agents and make them way more powerful than you can within n8n at the moment. Of course, you can make these even more powerful than I showed you in this video. This is like a simple example. You can literally just prompt Claude Code to build what you want and it'll build it for you. It's kind of crazy. If you do have any questions about this, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer as quick as I can, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.